Hi, this is Dr. Shadow with Sonoran Smile Orthodontics. I want to congratulate you on your new set of braces. You're home now. You might be experiencing some discomfort. It takes a little bit, maybe a couple of weeks or so to get used to those braces. But if you are experiencing any orthodontic emergencies, I'm going to go through some of those most common problems that you may face. But first, we're going to start off going through the different components of braces that are in your mouth so that we're speaking the same language when you call the office. So if you remember when we were discussing the different components of braces in your mouth, one of the things I talked about was a metal tie. So you can have a color tie, like this pink tie here. You might have a metal tie or a wire tie. Every now and then, that can get a little bit pokey. I hope you guys can see that on camera, but what you can do is grab the eraser pen of a pencil. We've wiped it down with alcohol wipes and just gently tuck that back in. There you go. Put a little bit of pressure on that and you've got it all the way tucked back in. If you have a mouth sore, what we recommend is a topical anesthetic. This is over the counter. You can find it in any drugstore. Your orthodontist should have these on hand as well. If you have irritation of the cheeks and lips, that's totally normal in the beginning as your mouth is getting used to having all that metal in your mouth. What we recommend for that, and this is going to be your best friend, is wax. And again, your orthodontist will give you plenty of wax to leave with. Roll it in between your fingers. The heat from your fingers is going to make that soft and sticky so that it will actually adhere to the bracket or the wire that's causing the irritation. If you have a Pokey Wire, you want to really get a good look at it in the mirror, see where it is. As your teeth start to move and straighten out, it's not unusual for the wire to come out of the back side, out of that last bracket, and poke the inside of your cheek. So what you can do is grab that wax, your best friend, rub it in between your fingers to get it nice and soft, and then what you're going to do is just place it over the sticky part until you can see your orthodontist and they can go ahead and clip that for you. Many times you might be able to put that Pokey Wire back where it belongs with a tweezer. Grab it with tweezers and slide it back in. Don't worry, you're not going to hurt anything. See how I was able to slide that in pretty easily using the tweezers? If you have a broken bracket, that will stay on the wire with that colored tie. It might be twisting around, wiggling around, but again, you can use a tweezer to kind of center that on the tooth again. You do want to call your orthodontist and let us know so that we can get you in and make sure that we have extra time to glue that bracket back on the tooth. In the meantime, what you can do is grab those tweezers and slide that bracket back across the wire until it's centered on the tooth. And if you have a color tie that became loose, see how that color tie is not around the entire bracket? Again, that tweezer is going to be your friend. You can use that to gently put it around that bracket again. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for your attention. Watch it as many times as you need to. Hopefully you won't need it too many times. And if you have any other questions, just give us a call.